Every second that you're watching this video, AI models are analyzing crypto, buying stocks, and building businesses that automate their workflow. Everyone's always like, hey, AI is going to be the next big thing and it's coming. Hey guys, guess what? AI is already here and it's taking over. So if you're not utilizing it to your best performance and what you can automate on your workflow, you might want to stick around and check out this video. Because today I'm going to be letting my AI agents trade popular stocks like Amazon, Tesla, and NVDA. Welcome to Agent Arcade, an all-in-one platform where you can build your own agents that analyze crypto and trade stocks full-time, where you can copy and counter-trade current well-performing agents and models, or you can counter-trade the ones that are doing poorly. And I think I might as well just give you guys a little bit of a breakdown of the entire site and show you what's cooking. This is the Agent Arcade. And before I go into depth showing you all the winning and losing models that you can copy or counter-trade, I'm going to give you guys a quick little rundown through the intro of the site. When you guys do sign up on Agent Arcade for the first time, it'll ask you what you're interested in. I'm more interested in the crypto and stock side of things. I also enjoy metals from time to time, so I will select that. Throughout this, it will give you a list of agents that are currently competing in the leaderboard with the best win rates and percentages for their P&Ls. And with a very simple click of the button, you can select which ones you would like to add to your list. I'm going to grab this Grok Pump Fund Consensus one, which is going to be trading, I'm not too sure. And then Gemini, which is trading KIOX. I don't know what that is. I'm going to grab the three top winner. I'm going to grab the fourth top winner that's trading Meta. We'll grab all four of those. We'll put them into our allocations. And within this, we can trade which one's trading which percentage. I think I'm going to go a smooth 25% for all four of these. And I will let my agent manage the full risk as well. So it will be upping and downing based on the performance of what is being traded. So for the four agents, it will be $20 each to get started with a minimum of $80 for all four of them. I'm going to put in a grand total of $333 for all of these. I will be using crypto for this transaction. And then once you have your agents set up and live and ready to go, as you guys can see, we have the Grok, the Consensus, the Grok, and the Consensus down here as well, all four of these. We can actually go into each one of them and add the funds directly as we want. So I'm going to put $125 into each of these and see how they perform. And as you guys can see, we have the updating balance for all four of these new models we have just selected, and they will be updated very shortly. One of the coolest and newest features of the Agent Arcade is going to be their AI Swarm feature, which takes a bunch of different models and agents and puts them all into one for you dependent on the market and your risk factors. And as you can see down here, we do already have a select bunch of different agents inside of this swarm that are all trading and doing things together. I did create this swarm 17 hours ago, so as you guys can see, we have already gone ahead and done a couple of things that the AI agent is actually telling me what they're doing, and how it's also updating and changing up their strategy and commands throughout their entire thing. This is all fully ran by AI. You launch the swarm, you put the money into the swarm, it spits back feedback and updates depending on how it's trading and what it's doing, and then it even adjusts itself throughout the entire way. Say one of the agents is doing really bad. Guess what? He's getting kicked out of the swarm. One's doing really good. Let's allocate some more money to him. It is 100% autonomous, and you just sit back, relax, and wait for the profits to roll in. Now, real quick, let's say you don't want to do the time and the effort to research and look into different agents and how they're performing. Well, guess what? Agent Arcade has you covered with the Discovery page. This allows you to look at top trending AI models that are currently performing the best and the worst. As you can see down here, the top performers based by P&L. So for all assets, you can even sort this by stocks, indices, crypto, metals, energy, and more. We're going to go to all assets. We're going to check out the Gemini Uni Rebound, which currently has a 90% P&L over the past 30 days since it has been live. It shows all the trades, what it's powered by, the trading style of the agent, and a couple of different revision histories as well. All the information you need is already there for you. You just got to read a couple of words. We even have the live agent leaderboard, which is the current best performing agents out there that you might want to take a look at and just copy trade rather than building your own. Current number one is going to be the Breach Point on Gemini, which has a 123% P&L over the past month with a bunch of different trades that are looking very nice and a bunch of revision history as well for how the model is updating in real time based off the market structure and other variables that could be making a play. But let's go ahead and say you don't want to take someone else's agent or copy trade it or counter trade it. you can come over here and build your own agent for free. Create me an agent that trades Tesla stock, NVDA stock, and Amazon stock all in one. I can just give it this completely perfect broken English sentence and see what it spits back at me. One agent can only trade one stock, so we build 3 separate agents with the same logic. One for Tesla, NVIDIA, and Amazon. Which one should we build first? Let's go with the NVIDIA. So I can just select the response prompt right there. It'll spit it out, and then he will start, or they will start building out my agent. So I've gone ahead and talked to it a little bit. I asked it to define the direction of what it's wanting to build. And with this, I can go ahead and choose 3 different options. We can long the stock, we can short the stock, or we can do both directions. I'm going to choose both directions. I think it's great to have your agent trading both ways, longing and shorting the stock, because you never know what's going to happen. I don't want it to long the stock, and next thing you know, Elon's yapping out of his ass on Twitter saying some dumb shit, and some billionaire sells everything. I want my model to know when this is happening so we can counter trade that and then short it to the ground. Oh, this is for NVIDIA, not Tesla. Either way, you know what I'm saying. We're going to go breakout pattern for this one. We're going to go the 4-hour intervals for the candles on the charts. And we'll go with a balanced response for how much risk we want to take. We'll do a 5% stop and a 10% take profit. And this can go on for as long as you want. You can keep talking to the agent builder to create you the most strict and defined model out there. But if you want to skip all that and just tell them to deploy the agent so I can start trading. I couldn't spell the words right, but the AI should know what I meant. And there we have it. NVIDIA 4-hour outbreak. It's going to be trading NVIDIA on a conservative risk at a trend following style and both directions. We're going to go ahead and save this, and we can go ahead and push it live right here, right now. Or you, the user at home, can also start paper trading just to get a feel for the platform. I'm going to throw $200 into my live agent and just see what he does. NVIDIA 4-hour breakout is live, and now we can view it on our dashboard as it is going to be a live agent on the market. And we can also publish this to the discovery page so other people can see its performance, and they can even choose to copy it or counter it as well. I am going to go ahead and play with the leverage here once it is live. I'm going to go for more of a higher risk 8x leverage, and I'm going to go ahead and use a position size of 50% rather than the full 100. And this is a fully live trading agent that is currently on the run. We did start with $2,500. We're up $21 so far. The negative 228 you see here is from us allocating funds to that agent, which is not currently live. And we are currently negative on 2 different trades here that we did start this. But there you guys have it. We have built out our own agent. I also have 2 agents currently running. I have the NVIDIA and the Tesla one. We currently have our swarm live with $250 with 11 different agents trading. And as I said previously, if you guys just want to discover top trending agents, you can copy or counter those, and you can also view the leaderboard. Again, the leaderboard's kind of your sweet spot to find out top performing agents throughout the site. And if you want to be lazy with it and just trust in one that's currently performing very well, you can do that as well. But yo, we showed you guys the website. We made our own agent as well. I will update you guys very soon with how my agents are performing within their P&Ls. And if you guys do want to try out the website, you can try it out down below and take part in the leaderboard as well by using code Jerzy on the platform. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys can put your AI agents and models to good use and build up some crazy trading robots. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and pull up to a live stream link down below.